If you're facing verification issues on Etsy after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the situation effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check Etsy's verification requirements to ensure you understand what is needed. This may include confirming your email address, phone number, or providing identification documents. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause problems with verification. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser before attempting the verification process again. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try using a different device or browser. This can help eliminate any device-specific issues that may be hindering the verification process. Step 4. Contact Etsy support. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to Etsy support for assistance. Provide them with details about your situation and any error messages you received during the verification attempts. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for their response. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Etsy. Good luck!